In this video, I will demonstrate how you can import a panel planner project into Wiring Planner and discuss how this can save time in the development process. I have a single library open, but you can have multiple libraries open at the same time. Go to Tools and then click Import Panel Planner Design. In this location, I have a single panel planner design. If you have more than one design, select the design that you want to import and then click Import. Now it will ask you what the file name is that you want to save your Wiring Planner project as. So in this case, I'm just going to leave the same name for the project. It will have a different extension. So I'll click Save. And as soon as I do that, it opens up the Panel Planner project in Wiring Planner, and it has automatically converted each of the components in the Panel Planner project into a black box. Although they've been created here in the project, there are no connectors or electrical definitions to these black boxes. So what I can do, if I have something in my library that applies, I can simply change the type. For example, transponder here, if the user has specified that the transponder is a GTX33, for example, I can click the type button here in the properties, and that will open up all of the types, all of the black boxes in my library. And here in the Garmin folder, I have a GTX 33. So I simply click that and click OK, and immediately that causes this transponder to inherit all of the connectors and attachments that are part of the GTX 33. Let's assume for a minute that the primary flight display is supposed to be an EXP 5000. I'll click Type, and here in the Avidyne folder, I do have an EXP 5000, so I select that, and now it has the connectors that are part of the EXP 5000 definition. And of course, I can rename these components. For example, transponder, I could call it TXPDR, transponder, if I chose. For nav system, maybe I want a GTN 650, in which case, because I have it defined already in the library, it's very easy to apply it to that component. If there's something that I do not have, for example, an altimeter, I can go ahead and add the electrical connections right here in the model, or I can create a model in the library and apply that. You may have spent a lot of time working with the customer to build the panel planner project, to choose the components that would be a part of their new panel. And so rather than forcing you to recreate that design in Wiring Planner, we have provided this way to simply import the project and reduce the time that it takes.